Okay, so let's take a look at creating drip campaigns in Leadbarrel. One of my favorite features personally about using Leadbarrel is that this process is really easy compared to some of the other solutions out there, where creating new emails and getting things out the door can take a lot more clicks than it does here. Let me just show you what I mean. To create a drip in Leadbarrel, we go to our drip campaigns page. We're going to go create a drip. We'll give it a name. So we'll call it a demo drip campaign. Click Save, and then all I need to do is give this email a subject. All right, and I want to send my first email on day 0. This means that it's going to go out right away. I write my email. I can bold, I can highlight, I can, here's your link, right? Use the chain to link stuff. I can also, if I'm a little more advanced, I can also use the code view, see right here, and I can do stuff in HTML. If you have an HTML template for newsletters, you could use those, but typically you're going to be okay with what's in the editor, and sticking without too much HTML will probably get you better email deliverability anyway. But let's switch back. I could also add an image for what it's worth. One of my favorite tricks is to link an image of a video, right? You've probably seen other people do this. You'd put a snapshot of a YouTube video and then link it using the chain to the actual YouTube video, get people to click at it or email. So you have a lot of flexibility there. Click Save, and basically I've got my first email saved, and now all I need to do is go back to drips. If I go back and edit, I can see that that email is now in my list. Okay, I think I picked the wrong campaign, but you say here's a campaign that has another demo going on, and if I want to now, I can start to create more emails. Add new, second email, day 2, content down here. A few things to note here. You'll see that there are some wildcards. If you want to include the person's email or name and personalize in there, you can just see that those tags are here. This will basically replace, this tag will get replaced with the person's email. Click Save. If I'm sending recurring content, say I'm sending a weekly list of luxury properties, right? I can say, hey, I've got this going out. Here's your list. Right, link to list. Of course, I'm doing this very shorthand. That would never send that email. I'm going to click Save Email. I have that going out on day 7. And now what I can do is I can start to duplicate the same email on day 14. I click the duplicate button, 14, save. I can click duplicate again. You see it throws this little 2 there, so I get rid of that. I do day 21. The 2 is useful because I know it's been copied. And then I can go and do a quick sequence of follow-ups right here, and you'll see all my emails are available from editing from the drop-down, all on one page, not a lot of clicking around. Save email, and I'm good to go. And then, as you know, if you've watched a tutorial about linking drip campaigns to capture pages, I'll remind you about that here. Once your drip campaign is created, you just go to the landing page you want to tie it to, click the chain, and grab it from the drop-down. So here's our demo drip. And now anytime somebody opts into that landing page, that drip campaign will be triggered. Pretty cool stuff, right? You can create a pretty fast funnel using Leadbarrel by creating a nice short drip campaign, nice quick drip campaign with your core offer being repeated a few times, and then go ahead and tie it to a landing page with almost effortlessly. And then to do bonus one-time promos, of course, you're going to have the blast campaign feature to use, which we'll talk about in a different video.